In this video, we will walk you through installing your SECURAM Gate Lock. We've included most of the tools you'll need right in the box. You'll just want to have a power drill, Phillips screwdriver, and a wire cutter on hand to finish the job. Step 1. Drilling. Drill through the post from the inside. Align the drilling template with the edge of the post closest to the gate. Ensure the drilling point is at least 6 inches from the top of the post. The gap between the gate and gate post must be less than 1.5 inches. Maximum gate post thickness is 5.9 inches. Step 2. Install the front panel. Ensure the arrow sign is pointing upwards. Align the hole on the mounting plate with the drilled hole and use 4 screws to attach it to the post. Thread the steel cable through the drilled hole. Place the front panel on the plate and set the code wheels to 0000. Press the unlock button and tighten the bottom screws with the hex screwdriver to secure the front panel. Step 3. Install the back panel. Make sure the arrow is pointing up, then thread the steel cable through the hole in the back panel. Align the holes and secure the back panel to the post with 4 screws. Unscrew the 2 screws on the cable clamp to release it. Step 4. Fix the steel cable. Insert the steel cable through the large hole on the left side of the clamp, then thread it through both screws from bottom to top. Pull the cable tight while tightening the 2 screws on the cable clamp to secure it. Thread the steel cable through the small hole at the top of the cable clamp. Remove the black screw from the left side of the cable clamp. Step 5. Test. Open and close the lock several times from both sides to make sure the cable is secure. Step 6. Cut the excess cable and install the back cover. And cut the excess cable behind the clamp, leaving about 0.7 inches extra as a precaution. Place the back cover on the back panel and secure it with 2 screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. Step 7. Install the latch. Position the latch template on the door close to the cover, avoiding the gate edge, gap, or post edge. Align the mark on the template with the mark on the cover. Mark the 4 screw positions, remove the template, and install the latch and latch bracket. Step 8. Test. Open and close it several times from both sides to ensure the installation is complete.